Hello, and welcome back to Teacher Nelly Wonder. Let me ask you a question. Why do we say he eats rice, but say I eat rice? Why do we say she walks to school, and also say they walk to school? Many English learners make mistakes with this rule, but don't worry. By the end of this lesson, you will know exactly when to add s to a verb and when not to add x to it. So, grab your notebook and let's get into the classroom. In lesson 1, we learned that every sentence needs a subject and a verb. We learned sentences such as, you are a student, I am happy, they are playing. Today, we are moving from being to doing. We are going to learn action verbs. Action verbs tell us what someone is doing. For example, eat, drink, play, learn, read. Rule 1. Action verbs show action. Let's look at some examples. I eat rice. What's the action in the sentence? Good, eat. She sings. What's the action in the sentence? Sings. Those are action words because they show us actions. Rule 2. When do we add s to a verb? Now let's learn the most important rule in this lesson. Singular subjects take verb plus s. Most singular subjects. A singular subject means one person, one animal, or one thing. Now let's look at some examples. The car moves fast. One car. The dog plays a lot. The baby eats well. She sings beautifully. He dances well. Notice something. The subjects are singular and the verbs take s. Important exceptions, you and I. Now pay close attention. This is where many learners get confused. You know that most singular subjects take verb plus s. But I and you do not take s. For example, I sing well. You will not say I sings well. I eat rice. You wouldn't say I eats rice. You brush every morning, not you brushes every morning. I read daily, not I reads daily. You jump so well, not you jumps so well. Note this so that you don't make mistakes in adding s to verbs that follow I and you. What about names? One person is equal to a single subject. One animal is a single subject. Now let's look at examples. Teacher Nilo Wonder teaches English. Our dog eats well. Mom cooks very well. Choma sings beautifully. Notice how one person goes with a verb plus s. Now let's compare. Let's compare singular versus plural. Singular means one, while plural means more than one. The boy plays football. The boys play football. Mom cooks well. Mom and I cook well. The girl draws beautifully. The girls draw beautifully. Have you seen? Single subject goes with verb plus s, while plural subjects go with verbs with no s. Common mistakes to avoid. I brushes my teeth. That's wrong. I brush my teeth. That's correct. They plays football. That's wrong. They play football. That's correct. She dances well. That's wrong. She dances well. That's correct. Quick quiz. Which of these sentences are correct? 1. Tom plays football. Tom plays football. That's correct. Tom plays football. 2. I read a lot. I reads a lot. Correct. I read a lot. 3. The dog barks loudly. The dog barks loudly. Correct. The dog barks loudly. 4. She speaks English. She speaks English. Correct. She speaks English. 5. Dad runs fast. Dad runs fast. That's correct. Dad runs fast. Excellent. Great job. Now it's your turn. In the comments, write one sentence using a singular subject and an action verb. For example, my sister sings beautifully. Don't worry about mistakes. Of course, we're here to learn together. I'll be reading all the comments and replying to every one of them. If this lesson helped you, please subscribe and turn on the notification so that you'll be notified when I upload lesson 3. Also, kindly like, comment, and share the video. I am teacher Niluwanga. Thank you for learning with me.